Now, if you have never worked on a relay before, works. You notice here, okay, we have numbers and then we have a number down here, okay, which is number 4. Now that number 4 and some other relays, that 4 can actually be a 6. Now most of the time you're only gonna use 3, and some of the relays don't have this section. They only have that section, meaning these 3. Okay, now the number 1, which is gonna be this section here, this is the temporary connection, and this is where it indicates right here. The secondary connection is here. Here, you're gonna connect to your start capacitor, and the output to your start capacitor is gonna go here. Okay, this will eventually connect to this one also. And on here, you're gonna have your run capacitor connected to this area, okay? And eventually your yellow wire here from here to the compressor. Now, because your L1 and L2 go on here, you're not actually powering up the relay yet, okay? Now, this area here is not actually used for anything but connecting power to different things. So you can connect certain wires, and from here you also connect the power to your capacitor, but your capacitor output goes in here, eventually here, powering up everything else, the compressor. But once the compressor starts running, this connection gets disconnected, because this coil here, once activated, it disconnects that section right here. So this is basically how it's done. Now from here, your red wire, okay, on the compressor. From here you connect your yellow wire on the compressor, and from here you connect to your overload. You got the top one, then you got the start and run. So that's basically it. Now this section is only powered, it only starts in the beginning just for your start capacitor to get your compressor running. But once that happens, this activates this way, disconnecting this circuit here and leaving only the run capacitor running at this point. Now we have a new one here. This one ain't damaged, but again, don't forget, you're only using these 3. This is only to put power and distribute the power using all these pins here. Okay.